As a student, I'm signed in to Office 365, and on the left-hand side, I'll select the Teams icon to see any of the teams where I'm a member. My teams might not show up until the first day of school, but I see that there's already one for my first grade class, and it's bold, which tells me that there's new content ready to go for me. I also see an activity alert, but I'll just click on my team. My teacher already posted a welcome to the school year message, and I can click see more to see all the details. But I also see a meetings channel. And from the meetings channel, I see that my teacher has scheduled a meeting for the first day of school. When it's time for me to join the meeting, I'll come to my meetings channel and I'll select my calendar event to join that meeting. Join is in the upper right corner when I'm looking at the details, but there's also a link in the meeting. I'm using Teams Online in this example, but you could also use the Teams app on your computer. I'm not ready to join this meeting. I'll press close in the upper right, but I can also select the Teams icon from my app bar on the left to go back to my Teams. Below the team icon and the team name are quick links to items such as our class notebook, assignments, and grades. I'll go to our class notebook. My teacher's still setting this up, but there's a welcome section. If I click on the navigation icon, it looks like books leaning. I can see that I have my own section inside this notebook. And when I click the caret mark to expand, I see a section for weekly conferences and class notes. So I can add pages to my own section of our class notebook where I can see the work, but also my teacher can see my work. If I select assignments from the left just below class notebook, it'll list any of my upcoming assignments, but I don't have any just yet. Back in the general channel, my teacher makes posts for announcements. I don't have permission to post to this channel. And when it's time for meetings, my teacher will make a change so that I can post here as well. Sometimes my teacher will add another channel where I can have conversation posts with other students in the class, but I need to be careful what I post in the channels because everyone in the team can see it. If I have questions about how to use our class team, I will be sure to reach out to my class teacher. If your student needs technical assistance, please reach out to our TPS Help Desk. Thank you.